Hey everyone, today we will discuss Power Query for unpaired data table. So in this session we will discuss how we can transform the wide data into long data set. So for example, we will have input like this and we want to get output like this for a huge number of rows. So let's start it. And we have this data and we will convert all this data into long format. So this is currently in the wider format and we will convert it into long format using the Power Query. So let's start it. Result, we will go to the data. Here we will go to launch Power Query editor. Before this we need to save this properly. So we have data here. It must be stored before we can use the Power Query. So launch Power Query and here we will new Power Query Excel workbook and we have stored data like this one. Okay, so this one is our master data and this is how we have currently 30 row of data. Now we will select by pressing shift button and right arrow key. So when we select all these, you will select all those columns which need to be unpaired. So we will click on right click unpaired columns. Now you can see all the phone numbers converted automatically into longer format. Now the attribute column is unnecessary. We will remove this and we will rename this into phone numbers. Phone number. Now close and load the data. Okay, so now this connection created, but this make a problem when we want to save this data. So we will remove the connection, but before removal we will copy. So Control A and copy, and this will be paste here. Control values. Okay, so this will be as paste as values. So once we done this process, then we will go back to here and double click on this. Once this open, we will delete this connection. We have processed our data. Keep changes. Okay, now we have also this in table format, but we have already copied this in this format. So whichever you prefer, you can use table version or the values version. So let me set. Now you can see all other details are duplicated for each unique phone number. So when you simplify this process, you can also remove the duplicate from this, but for that we will do another session. So you can see we converted our 30 row data to 181. So it is 180 rows. If you multiply it by 6 phone numbers, so you will get 180 value. So we have obtained the result from input data like this into longer format. Thank you.